Hello, everybody, and welcome to week 9 extra. And I put a couple of extra things in here that were not in your packet. It was very light this week, so I wanted to do a few extra things so that we could make sure we finish up on time. So you remember earlier in the week we used our list paper to find some words that had a long vowel sound in the story in this book. But today we are going to be looking for long O silent E patterned words. And we're going to do basically the same thing. We're going to be reading the story and looking for long O silent E words. So let's read the story first and then we'll see how many we can find. Hope rode home. So there are 3 long O. I hear O in all of those words, and they have the O silent E pattern. So let's remember that. The sun rose. That means it's rising. It's sunrise. It rose. Hope can go see Kim Mole. Oh, I hear O there. Home at sunset, said Mom. Hope rode to Kim. Hope was hot. Hope and Kim ate a cone. See the O silent E, cone, and I hear O. Let's remember that one. Kim Mole had a rope. Let us hop, said Hope. Hope and Kim had fun. This is a good story for sounding out practice and for our long vowel practice. Kim had a red hose. Oh, it looks like she's going to water something. A hose can wet a rose. Oh, rose here in this part of the story means the flower. Roses, it's a kind of flower. Kim did not get Hope wet. Okay, good job, Kim. It's fun to get wet on a hot day, but still. Hope had to go home. So, there's a long O without the silent E. So, Hope rode up the lane. That's a long A sound. We're not looking for that today. Hope got home at sunset. All right, so let's find some long O words. Let's go back to the beginning. And right in the title are 3 words with a long O. And so we are going to write those on our list paper. The first one is Hope. And Hope is a name, so we need to use an uppercase letter. Hope, H-O-P. Now, if we didn't put silent E or magic E here, it would say hop. But magically, magic E makes O say O for Hope's name. Rode. Oh, she rode her bike. So she rode R-O-D-E. R-O-D-E. And home. I hear that long O. H. What are the rest of the letters? O-M-E. Ah, okay. O-M-E. Well, it's O, magic E, and then there's a different letter in between for each of those, but the pattern is the same. All right. The sun rose. Now that is a new one. We had rode her bike, But when the sun rose or the flower rose at the end, that's a new one. Let's check the letters. R-O-S-E. Yes, it does have the O magic E pattern. O-S-E. Now you might hear the S in there sounding like Z. Rose. It does that sometimes. And you just have to know some of the words that happens. Hope can go see Kim Mole. Oh, Kim, her last name is Mole because I think that's the kind of animal she is. But since it's part of her name, we do need to give her an uppercase letter. M-O-L-E. O-L-E. We've got mole. Now, home we already wrote, so let's put a check there. That's the second time we saw it. Okay, and let's see. We have hope and road again. Well, we actually saw hope again here. Let's put a check by her name each time we see it. Here's hope again. And road again. And hope again. And hope another time, boy. Hope and Kim ate a cone. Now there is a new one, cone. Let's check the letters. C-O-N-E. Yes. Has the O and then different letter, silent E pattern. So C-O-N-E. Good job. All right, so they ate a cone. Oh, then they jumped rope. And that is a new one. Rope. R-O-P-E. R-O-P-E. There's Hope's name again. Wow, we're going to run out of room for checks. And there it is again. Oh my goodness. You see any other long O? Not on that page, maybe. Hose. A hose. A hose is something that we water plants with. Let's check the letters. H-O-S-E. Okay, H-O-S-E. And there is Hope again. I wonder how many times her name is in the book. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Hope's name has been in the story 8 times so far. Oh, and here it is again. 9. Home, we did again. So, hope. There's another one. Road, again. And hope, one more time. And home, one more time. They use a lot of the same words, but it made the story easy to understand, and I do like that. So let's count how many times Hope's name was in the story. 1, this is the first time. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 times. Wow. So practice reading these long O words so that you can be ready for long O vowel patterns in your reading. That's good practice. Okay, there were 2 other reading items in this, and these are just pages you know all about already. These have our fastest snap word. You write it in the sentence. You read the sentence with the word in it 3 times, and then get someone to listen to you read and check your name. So this one's about play. Do you play in the house? Oh, that's a question. Do you play in the car? Do you play in the tent? I like to play in the rain. And that is not a question, that's telling us some information. So that's why there's an exclamation point, or there could be a period if it was just a fact. And our other word is make. there's a long A, silent E, or magic E pattern. And so make is going to be in each of these sentences. I can make a dress. I can make a fan. I can make a boat. I will make a quilt for you. Those are nice sentences. I like those. So we've gone quite a long time on our reading practice for our week 9 extra. And I do still have this fish page for our week 9 extra, but I do want to show you how to use the fish. And so I'm going to stop here and I'm going to do a separate video for the math page. So please join me for week 9 extra math page, and I will see you then.